about driving is vroom, 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 vroom.
Yeah.
This car doesn't have much room, does it?
No, just see.
No, it
Slow
doesn't.
as a snail.
Slow as a snail, that's right. What is this car? What car are we driving right now? We're in the Integra. How many speeds is this?
5.
5 speeds, that's right. Do you like helping me drive?
Yeah.
You like learning how to drive?
Yeah.
Do you want to learn how to drive the dirt bike?
No.
No? You
Just kidding, yes.
you want to learn how to ride it by yourself?
I'm gonna need a little bit of help.
Yeah, that's okay. Everybody needs a little bit of help every now and then. Nobody's perfect. Nobody starts out just knowing everything. It's called trial and error. That's how you learn. Remember.
Yeah.
Thomas Edison tried and failed over 2,000 times to create the incandescent light bulb. And when asked about why he didn't give up, he said he didn't fail 2,000 times. He figured out 2,000 different ways how not to make a light bulb. And he only needed one way to make it work. So don't give up till you get it right.
I didn't give up my piano lesson.
No, you didn't. Alright, you're going to put it in neutral because we're coming up to a stop. Wait, don't just yank it. Always got to wait for me to clutch. Got to watch that foot. Alright, now you're going to put it in third. So straight up.
Nice. Damn.
You had it in third. So
Oh. What? I did it by myself.
you did. Alright, straight back into fourth. Good job. Good job.
I'm very good at it.
Yeah. Don't get too full of yourself. Now over into fifth. Up and over. No, that's back into third. There you go. Gotta watch those throws, kid. Watch those throws.
Do you know what call my what's it?
Alright,
My
we're coming up to a stop. Alright, what do you do?
neutral.
Alright. Here we go.
Then go to third until you
No,
shift.
not yet. What gear do you start out in?
1.
First. So we're at a stop, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, first.
2.
Alright, back in second. Gotta do quick, come on. No, you gotta be faster than that.
How am I faster?
Alright, up into third.
That was fast.
Yep, that was good. Alright, down into fourth. Good job, good job, good job. You're doing it by yourself. Let's see if you can get fifth. Up into fifth, up and over. Yeah, you nailed it! Fist bump all by yourself. Blow it up. Good job, good job. You did it. Great job. You make mama so proud.
You hit my head.
I didn't hit your head. Alright, come to a stop. What is it going?
Neutral.
Neutral. You always gotta be double clutching like you're supposed to.
Go to
And then we're coming to a complete stop, so what gear do you put it in?
3. To shift.
You put it in third. We're at a complete stop. What gear do you start out in? Put in neutral. No, don't force it. There you go. Now we're in first. And then you pull it back into. Good job. That second, you found it. Alright, and then we're going to go up into.
Third.
Is that third? That's third. Good job. Good job. Right, we're coming to a stop. What gear does it go in?
Neutral.
And then, wait. Is that first?
Yes.
I don't know. Let's gear? Is it first? Oh, it's first. You nailed it. And then second. And then we're gonna go third. Yeah, you're doing so well. Good job. Make Mama so proud.
Stop tickling me.
All right.
The challenge. Dun dun.
So good. Dun dun dun. You did it.
Dun, 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 dun. Wait, why are you
All right,
going
we're
around?
downshift to the second. Good job. What are you looking for?
Like, was that open?
It's not nice to stare. All right, up into third. Good job. That's third. Woot woot.
Toot, toot.
You're doing so good. All right, down in the second again. Did you get it? Yes, you did. Yes, ma'am, you did.
Why are you going the other way?
Well, we gotta go back to Grandma's house.
I want to get my
Gotta
dog.
put it in third.
I want to get my dog.
Is that third? It's third.
I want to get my dog.
Well, we'll have to bring it to you later tonight. Down into second.
She just has to let me.
Yeah, you did it. You make me so proud. It's almost time to put you behind the wheel.
Behind the wheel.
Yeah, so you can start driving for yourself.
But I'm not tall enough.
Oh, well, you can sit on my lap, can't you?
Yeah.
All right, we're at a stop. What do we do? Neutral, and then what? First. That's right. And that's first. That's first. We started. All right, and then?
Second.
All right, and then? Third. Good job.
I didn't want to say it.
And then?
Fourth.
Good job. You're doing so good, baby. All right, and then?
Go through.
It's in fifth. You did it. It's in fifth. You got me worried having to double check you like you didn't get it in.
I didn't know.
Good job.
I didn't know that was fair.
That's fifth. It's in. It clicked.
Oh. Alright, we're gonna be in stop.
What do we do? Make sure you wiggle it before I take my foot off the clutch.
There you
All right. And then what gear?
go.
One. That's right.
Can we do tomorrow? Drop me
All
off
right.
tomorrow.
And then gotta be quick. We're in traffic now.
Huh.
All right. And then is that third? That's third. And then that's fourth. All right. What now? I'm clutching. Is that fifth? That's fifth. Ooh, you almost done goofed. Put it in third. What are you trying to do? Launch this thing? You probably break the trans.
No, I hear the clutch.
Yeah, you heard the clutch. Put it in third gear, not fifth gear. That's okay. Third gear is always better than first gear, baby. Third gear is always better than first. When in doubt, don't shove it in first gear unless you are at a complete and utter standstill. That is how you break stuff.